Maui the demigod captured the son of Polynesia. He was given the power of fire. He shared his power of fire. And they who have received it took it to their lands. And it spread throughout the world. But tonight, we light our flame as one, as the people of Samoa.